Python input and output. Understanding how to handle input and output in Python is essential for creating interactive programs. This section will cover the basics of reading user input and displaying output to the user. Output in Python. Output is how a program displays information to the user. The print function is the most common way to output data in Python. Let us see basic Python print usage. We have like basic print usage. This is going to be the output what we have written in hello world. This will print hello world in the console. Now printing multiple items. We will see how to output multiple items. Now printing multiple items. We will take name, which is string, Alice, and age 30. We will print name and age. Name. Age. Now we will print multiple output. We have name Alice, age 30, and we print hello world. Now we will see input in Python. Input is how a program receives information from the user. The input function is either to read user input as a string. Now we will see basic input. Basic input usage. We'll take name as an input. Enter your name. We will print the name. Hello. Whatever name is given, we will print the name. We'll give name as Alice. Hello Alice. We got hello Alice as the output. We can convert input into other data types. Since input returns a string, you often need to convert the input to other data types like integers or floats. Let us see. Conversion. First we will see converting to an integer. We have age. We will input. Enter your age. Since it will return only string, we need to convert into integer. So age equal to of age. Now we will print age, comma age. So let us run and see. It print your age is 10. The age is 10. It will return string, right? So we will convert this into int using type conversion. Let us see. For example, if we don't need this statement, then we will use here as int input. We will add here as a type conversion. We will get the same result. Let us see. Age is 10. We have age 10. So same way we can convert into float. Float. We have price. We'll get into price. Converting into float. We need to change price. So price of mango. So let us run this. We have 12 rupees. It converts into float. We have floating point. Since it prints out the understanding input and output in Python is crucial for creating interactive programs. By using the input and print functions effectively, you can develop programs that communicate well with users. Don't forget to handle potential errors to make your programs robust and user friendly. Use print to display output. Use input to read input. Convert input to appropriate data type when necessary. Use formatted strings for cleaner output. Handle exceptions to manage invalid input gracefully.